guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a Tamil beauty vlogger. I usually create content around beauty product reviews as well as makeup tutorials and sometimes lifestyle content. And if this is your cup of tea, perhaps you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Revlon's PhotoReady Candid range. I'm going to be testing out the product on my face so you can actually see all of these 3 products that will be going on my face, and I shall guide you through how I feel about the first impressions and whether I like the final finish of it. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Right, so we're going to be beginning off with a first impressions review on the Revlon's new PhotoReady Candid range that I got. I picked myself 3 of the products, which is the concealer, foundation as well as the powder. And in the concealer, I'm in the shade 030, which is light, medium, and there were only 3 shades to choose from, so I'm really disappointed. And that's one of the reasons why I really don't want to reach out for drugstore products, because I don't feel like it would benefit a lot of people out there. There's really not much of a big shade variety when it comes to picking up from the drugstore. I believe there were 3 shades to choose from the powder, 3 other shades to choose from the foundation, and the concealer as well. I decided to pick this up anyway because I'm always in the market for a skin finish looking foundation, and the concealer also is said to be of a very natural looking finish when paired with the rest of the products from this line. I got these 3 products from Guardian and they were having a sale, I believe 3 for the price of 2 or something like that. Candid foundation was $16.70, the concealer was $12.50, and the powder was just $15.50. So for all of these 3 products, I paid $44.70 in total. If we were to walk into Sephora, obviously there will be a lot more shade range and variety to choose from, but they are of a more higher end of price tags for my liking. Since I have not tested any product in the last few months, tutorials, review videos, I feel like I have not reached up for anything from the drugstore. That's one of the reasons why, and just to check out whether this product is worth the hype at all. So yeah, I'm going to be starting off with the foundation. For the foundation, this comes in a 22 milliliters of product in this packaging, and you're supposed to be able to use this product for at least a minimum of 24 months as accordance to the cap. And I'm in the shade 420, which is Sun Beige, and this foundation is said to be of a medium buildable coverage, no harsh ingredients. It is supposed to be anti-pollution, antioxidant, anti-blue light, and oil-free. So let's find out if it really is living up to its claim of my oily skin type. So I'm going to be taking 1 pump full. I'm going to be using a brush like this one. I believe this is from Misha. I'm going to be wetting the brush a little bit with the Urban Decay's, what are you called, the all-nighter setting spray, just to wet my brush a tiny bit. Alright. And I'm going to be taking a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. It has a tiniest bit of peach undertone to it, but I feel like it actually goes on quite well. I'm quite impressed that it's almost instantaneously blending away. It has a little bit of a paint smell to it. Not a big fan of that. Yeah, it does give a very skin-like finish. So now we have the foundation on. I kind of like it. It is very skin light. I do agree that it has a very light to medium buildable coverage, I would say. I still feel like it is weightless on the skin. I just applied it and I have not set it yet. I would not say that it's overly matte. It almost feels like skin. And it did help with the covering of redness around my nostrils and a little bit of imperfection. If you have a lot of acne scarring from post-acne, I will not say that this would be a good coverage of a concealer or a foundation for you. That's just my personal opinion, because I still feel like my original skin is actually peeking through and the scarring is still a little bit visible with the second pump of foundation. Now we're going to be moving on to the concealer just to get the vanish the under eye circles. For the concealer, I'm going to be using the shade 030. This is in light medium, as again there are only 3 shades to choose from. And I'm going to be just showing you how much product it has. It has about 10 milliliters of product, and it's supposed to last you for about 18 months from the time you open up the packaging. And it has this like squeezy tube. Comes with it has a slight bend to it. It's a kind of a cute take on the doe foot applicator. Let's see how it applies and how it actually blends out. I'm going to be just like, oh, this is too light for me, guys, man. Okay, let's see how it works. I'm just going to be applying it over here. I'm going to be going ham lah. Let's see how much it actually covers, if it actually makes it to my favorite. Anyway, I'm going to be taking my damp beauty sponge I have right here, and let's blend it out. I still feel like I can see a little bit of my under eyes seeping through. I'm going to be going in with a little bit more, see if we can cover up a tiny bit just around here. When I'm looking at the mirror, I feel like I can still see that slight amount of darkness. Perhaps this concealer would be a better choice to highlight, so I'm just going to be taking a little bit right here. So this is the foundation and concealer on my face, and I have not set the face down. If you're looking for a foundation and concealer that is of a very heavy duty, like full on coverage bead face, if you have really good skin, I would say if you have like dry to combination, slightly oily skin, I think you can get away with using this product. And if you have acne scarring, or if you have a lot of blemishes that you would like to conceal, I highly doubt that this would be a good product for you. Let me go and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to set the face with you. Right, so I'm back with my contour as well as my lips all done. If you're wondering the color that I have on, it's called the Nyka's Matte to Last liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Kaveri. I absolutely love it. So back to the face. I have not set the face as yet. Off the hook, I just want to lay it out there that the foundation, I might probably want to use it because I paid it with my own money, and the finish is somewhat natural. Concealer for my under eyes, this no go. I believe I even enjoyed using the Rimmel London, that sponge tip applicator. If you've not seen it yet, I'll put a link to it right here as well. And we're going to be setting the face, and I'm going to be using the Revlon's new PhotoReady Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder, and this is in the shade 002. It has a sieve or a sieve, and it comes with this cap over here. Oh, nice. Alright, so you can actually dispense and make sure that you don't lose out a lot of product, because this is loose anyway and it can get pretty quickly messy. So I'm going to be using a brush like this one from the e.l.f. This is called the e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm just going to be dipping whatever that's already here like so, and start pressing this against the skin. I'm just going to be taking a little bit more, press it onto my T-zone and wherever other areas of my face where I feel like I might tend to get oily throughout the day. And the powder, I don't really mind it because I would definitely use it up anyway, because it's powder and it's user-friendly. User-friendly, it's travel-friendly, it has a cap. You can be rest assured that it's not going to be moving around. And this is the final look. I would definitely say that I don't mind the foundation, like I've mentioned before. While these two products are performing quite well, I like how they actually lay on the skin. They look good on the skin. As for the concealer, I don't see it making it to my favorites, so this would definitely have to say bye-bye to. Whereas these two products still have a little bit of potential, and I would definitely continue checking this product out and using them, and let you know on my Insta stories if there are any updates on this product as well. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this first impressions on Revlon PhotoReady Candid range. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, and I shall catch you very soon in my next week's video. Bye!